Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today we will like a Skeem Saam guys. They are very tired of Rathebe storyline, but guys, it's finally coming to an end. As you know, Matlati have evidence of Rathebe's dirty secrets, and Rathebe guys uyazi and umfuna phansi phezulu, high and low. Ukuthi ke my business child and Magongwa'S son will be playing in the house, and they will discover Rathebe's hidden treasure. A loud bang at the Magongwa house will wreak havoc, which I think it's the gunshot between Mapitzi's child Upitzi and Bushang. We later learn that a young boy's life hangs on the balance, and everyone is shocked to the core when the shooter confesses. And finally guys, Babeile officially arrest a colleague. Alfred is about to lose what matters to him the most, and he is crushed. Rathebe is buying for Alfred's blood, or Rathebe is paying for Alfred's blood and makes it known in a very public manner. So yeah guys, that how this story will unfold. For now, we are looking forward to the other exciting storyline, because the writers Skeem Saam guys, no, they are doing a very great job. So we are always looking forward for the next interesting storyline from them. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Were you still enjoying Rathebe's presence? Go Skeem Saam or